Hi everyone, this is Ping Priscilla. Today, I want to share with you a very famous dish from Taiwan. That is braised pork belly on rice. Taiwan is small, but this dish has a few different names just based on its size of the meat and the fat and the lean ratio. No matter what we call those dishes, they are equally delicious. And in my next cooking video, I'm going to use those very tasty braised pork belly to make another very famous Taiwanese dish called pork belly buns. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss it. Today, I use 3 layers meat. When we say 3 layers meat, it means the fat and the lean layers are evenly distributed. In general, Taiwanese people use ground pork to make this dish. But just like drinking a good cup of tea, you don't want to use tea bag. You would choose to use the whole leaf. But since we really don't know what kind of meat quality is in the ground pork, so it's best to buy a good quality of meat to make this dish. Besides using a good quality of meat, what kind of spice to use is also an important question. The spices we use to cook the braised pork belly are varied, and sometimes it contains more than a dozen of spices. And all the time, we see people using oyster sauce in bean paste to enhance its flavor. But today, I only use few fresh ingredients to make this wonderful and delicious meal. Let's first look at this hot pepper. This is what I bought from farmer's market last summer. And then after so many months, I stored them in the freezer. So they are still in bright color and looks so fresh. And when I cut it open, they still have the crunchy ice sound. How wonderful to preserve food properly so we can use them for a longer period of time. These green onions are from my backyard. And those green onions brings a lot of fresh flavor into my dish. Before we braise the pork, we will pan fry the pork belly on both sides. There are 2 reasons to do so. One is to make the color prettier. Second is pan fry them first will bring out the aroma. Just remember, they don't need to pan fry too long. As long as they change color, then they are ready. Now we can use some oil from pan fry the pork belly to stir fry shallots, green onions, ginger, and hot pepper. Stir fry a little bit until you smell the aroma. Then you can put in the pork belly at this moment. Next, I only add 2 seasoning. One is light soy sauce and the other is honey. If you like, you can also add some good quality of wine at the same time. Stir fry for a few more minutes until you see the soy sauce color is well coated on the pork belly. Pour in boiling hot water to cover the meat. And now is the time to adjust your seasonings. If it tastes right, then you can cover and let it simmer for 1 hour or until the meat is the tenderness you prefer. Every day, from morning market to business lunches and dinners, or until midnight snacks, you can very easily find braised pork belly rice everywhere. It looks like a very simple dish, but indeed, this is one of the most favorite food for Taiwanese people. And the unforgettable taste will always stay in overseas Taiwanese people's heart and mind. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and then also remember to subscribe to my channel. I will share a new dish with you every week. I will see you next time.